including Stanley Cup Finals. But a very scary moment as he and Hayden Fleury ended up without either turning their head in a blindside hit at center right. And now both teams saluting Kazari. Every player off of the bench for both teams. And Leah Hextall, you have been down benches for all.
What a moment we just saw there as the two teams left. But what I can